Everyone goes, oh, Jaden's a boy's name. And I say, it's my name. I have caveman hair. What is this? I don't know what the countdown is for. Oh, great. Birthday. Avatar basketball is starting. No. Cancel. I hope you like the show.
I thought this was how legs work. Oh, teach me how to shruggy. Shruggy. I'm struggling.
Bam! The world is born. Oh, wait. That is petrol.
I wish I knew how to draw, but I don't.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize it was that loud. Advanced audio properties. Oh, you guys don't even know me. Frill neck lizard has a frilled neck, and a bearded dragon has a beard. And water monitors have beards too. Maybe they got like a little bit of chin flap. Honestly, I think my brain is like a goldfish. Sorry. I've never crocheted in my life. No, like this is literally my birthday. God, I'm so dyslexic. I'm struggling to read these things. Is there a way I can make this bigger for myself? Womp. Womp. Does my arms get tired? Okay, well, I'll put them down then. Damn. Number 2. No, number... What are we up to? 4? I feel like... Wow. Meow meow. Why does thine self wear a toga? It's my dress. Here we go. This is my outfit. Oh no, now you can see my hat. Okay, go back. We don't talk about it. Alright, you saw nothing. Meow 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 meow. Arf, 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 arf. Seatbelts, everyone! Oh, please let this be a normal field trip. With the frizz? No way! Cruising on down Main Street, baby, bow, 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 yeah! Do you know what sucks? Why on Spotify do they not have the Magic School Bus TV version song? On all levels except physical, I am a wolf. Who has the dog in them? Is Dragonfruit an animal? I can be. I was gonna like do a bark and then I realized a dragon doesn't bark. I hope not. Can you imagine if a fruit barked at you? Speaking about dragon fruits, it's like I planned this. I didn't. All he told me was, don't look in that fridge. And I said, all right. I think I'm okay at chess. Do I think I could beat a grape? Maybe. Unless that grape was really smart. You think I could beat most fruits at most games? Well, which one couldn't I beat? Maybe a beetroot. Grape chess time and take turn. No, but if time... Okay, what time? Dun 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 dun. You guys are gonna hate me for this. All of them! Congratulations, you're all winners! Hooray! You fell into my trap. Do the dragons you make grow have beards? Maybe if they, like, live for long enough. You fools! Jaden cheated last time, so it's only fair. Look, what can I say? Hate the... What's the saying? Hate the player, but hate the game. Wait. Hate the player, don't hate... Go past the other day. The other day is Australian for, like, 5 months ago. Saw a truck go past the other day, and it had Comic Sans in rainbow. Gotta love bad graphic design. I have ADHD, guys, so that's where my dyslexia comes in. Okay, right. No need to call me out there. There's lots of different... Bebop, alright, has ever... You monospace loser. I'm kidding. The answer is... Hey, adventure time. Initially, let me explain. Hold on, this isn't rigged. Guys, don't freak out. The answer is A. I specified. I got website time. Whoa, Black Betty, wham a lamb. Damn straight. Damn straight, I'm the master. Are you guys flirting with the copy paste guy? I have an Australian accent, and so it sounds stupid, and like she doesn't deserve that. So don't come for me. I've been saying boggo in my mind. Look how like beautiful and urethral this is. And urethral? Ethereal! I meant ethereal! Urethra! Don't know, but I think it looks quite cool, doesn't it? I cried, I bawled, and I cried. A couple weeks ago, someone on Coffee, just like randomly, when the fonts video started blowing up, they sent me some money and I was so grateful. And I messaged them, I was like, oh my god, thank you so much, I'm bawling. like I was, you know, crying my eyes out, but I spelt it wrong. And so I said to this person, I'm balling, like spelt as if, you know, I'm balling with money, like I'm rich now. I meant balling as in crying my eyes out. I'm not trying to take you for granted here. I want you to know I'm very appreciative. Thank you very much. So embarrassing, guys. I can never take that moment back. Do you know what I mean? Objection! Your Honor, Jaden is ballin'. Makes me cringe so much. I can't believe I did that. That's like a copy right there. My little feeties. Here you go. Here's a snack. Get me up there on that stage. Running the country. Running this town. Tell a friend. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Tell that friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Jackfruit John? Who is this? Tell him to meet me at 3 so we can scrap. Best 2 out of 3 wins. Yeah, and what? Scissors, paper, rock? Actually, I'm really good at scissors, paper, rock. Why do you say it backwards? Why do I say what backwards? One of my hands is always paper? Oh, okay. Hold on. What if I do this? Then... Oh no! Now one of my hands is paper. What if I do this? Now it's not paper. Take that! I like, you know, Granny Smith apples? I like the opposite of that. Whatever the red one is called. Oh, I don't like mandarins. Ugh. I used to try and trade them at school, but no one wanted my mandarins.